In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this cozy fall throw pillow. You're going to need a Cricut machine, a heat press or an iron, a green Cricut mat, infusible ink, heat resistance tape, a brayer tool, weeding tool, and craft tweezers, and an infusible ink pillow cover or a sublimation pillow cover of your choice. You're going to carefully remove the infusible ink sheet from the packaging, then use the brayer tool to add the infusible ink sheet to the Cricut mat. You're going to try not to overtouch the sheet because you want to avoid natural oils from our hands so that it doesn't interfere with the ink transfer. Once it's completely cut, you're going to leave the sheet on the mat and begin to weed around and within the letters of the design. The infusible ink is thick and it will make a cracking noise when you remove the ink from the letters. Then once it's completely weeded, you're going to remove it from the mat. Use a lint roller to remove any fuzz or debris from the pillow cover, and then use a fashion measuring tape to center your design. You're going to place the ink face down and use the heat resistance tape all around the design to hold it in place while it's being pressed. After, add a sheet of the included butcher paper that comes in the box and put that on top of the design before pressing and inside of the pillow cover. Cricut recommends heating the ink at 380 degrees for 60 seconds. Then you're going to slowly and carefully add the press or the iron to the surface, lifting it straight on and straight off of the design to avoid any movement. Now that the surface of the pillow is completely cool, you're going to remove the tape and the butcher paper to reveal the design. Be sure to download the SVG file and prepare the file in Design Space. There's a full tutorial on my blog. The link will be down below. You'll also remove the butcher paper from the inside of the pillow cover. And then the ink is infused within the fibers of the pillow. If you found this video helpful, please share with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!